Well, I have the steering column ready for the sealer. It's actually pretty smooth. There was not much damage to it. I just really fine wet sand on it, and I'm going to put some primer sealer on it, and then we're going to shoot it. Now the only way to get this foam spacer, column spacer off is to totally take this all apart. Thought about it, winding those wires up through there. Decided not to do it. What I'm going to do, this is where it rides right here. Pushed it past. I'm going to paint all this, and when it's completely dry, I'm going to slide it up and I'm going to do the bottom half. I know it's kind of a pain in the butt, but I thought about taking that all apart. I said, you know what? My luck, I'll do more damage than good, so I'm going to get after it. Well, I got the sealer on, looking pretty good. We'll put the base coat on next. All kinds of fun. Well, I was able to get it painted. It looks pretty good. I think I was able to do it this time without screwing it up somewhere. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Well, we'll let it cure completely, and then I'll worry about that other end there. So that's it for now.